It's a long way down, and there ain't no solid ground. It's a long way to go, and that water gets cold. At 40 fathoms down, it's a long way down.
So I grabbed my old guitar. Know the guy in charge is known for racing cars or any kind of mean machines. It's submarine.
Captain of a hot rod boat. He drove that thing just like it was a car. What was on his mind was that finish line, pushing that reactor way too hard. Asked me if I'd ever seen a race